So if you watched the video where we poured the front slab, you'll remember I hit this big piece of bedrock here. Wasn't able to get the drain pipe any lower. Well, today we're going to see what we can do about that. So here's everything we need to blow the rock out of our way. So this is a mini blaster I made myself. Uses 22 ramset shells and a 5/16, actually maybe a 3/8 hammer drill and a big hammer. This thing's all solid steel with a 1/4 inch steel plate. And so here, this is 2 big heavy rubber mats, and that's a threaded rod going through with a hole drilled in the center of it that allows this to go through. And there's a nut and washer on the other side as well. Now we'll probably have to do this in several attempts to break out such a big piece of rock, but first step is to drill a hole and then we'll work out from there. Okay, the next step is to drop in 2 of these 22 caliber ramset shells with the rim up. Okay, so the next step is going to be to line up the blasting mat and get this thing down into the hole gently for now. Now that's down in there, we're going to put on some earmuffs and some eye protection and give it a go. Now it's probably going to take a few hits of the hammer to trigger both of them to go off. See how it goes here. Okay, so that didn't really do as much damage as I thought it would. But number one rule is never ever drill in the same hole twice. It's kind of a mistake you only make once. So we'll go maybe over here a little bit and drill again. So as you can see, we're finally starting to make some progress here. That's what, 4 blasts, I think. So these 2 holes here, I know the rock must get harder right there. The little cordless drill doesn't have what it takes to get the bit to go down. And I actually blasted in that one. Didn't really seem to break the rock, I don't think. Well, there might be a little crack there. We'll clean this up and see what we have. So I'm a little disappointed with the results, but we made a little bit of progress. Back home on the solid limestone, this thing works really well. It shatters the rock, but up here it just kind of breaks the top layer off. And it seems like the top layer is really soft, and then whatever's underneath, the drill can't even penetrate it. So that's part of the problem. The top layer looks like it's got a lot of rusty iron in it. I don't know nothing about rocks at all, but I think that's good enough for now. It gives me a little bit of a catch basin right here anyways. That's kind of all I needed. I was just hoping I was going to have something more dramatic for you guys, but that's it.